Dozens of residents in Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine, were left fuming after a meeting with police descended into chaos Wednesday evening. The meeting was supposed to be an opportunity for residents to voice their concerns about an ongoing curfew in the community. But as Kelisha Williams reports, the meeting ended within minutes.
The moment residents in Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine, walked out of a stakeholder meeting with the police.
Yeah, business people that kill people.
It should have been a meeting for residents and business owners to voice their concerns with the ongoing 6 p.m. curfew in the community. But the residents got upset and walked out of the meeting because the police officer who led the meeting said he would only be answering 5 questions.
5 questions. Too much people are there.
Every 6 o'clock, they lock down the business. Every night, me have to keep on carrying fish, throw away because 6 o'clock a evening, 6 o'clock a big evening. Nobody now come, nobody can come on the road to support me and buy something from me. Nobody not stop the police and from where they want to do. Then can do then curfew and time until 10 o'clock same way.
In going further, the residents told TVJ News that the 6 o'clock curfew has been making life miserable in Old Harbour Bay.
If a minute away in Old Harbour, where China can open until midnight and everybody can open until midnight. What about here? 6 o'clock can't work.
What really are going on, sir? We now can't pay tax. You know, we now can't pay tax. We now can't send the people to school. For if me up 6 o'clock this morning, and at 7 o'clock I get my best sales. You know, and the shop a place I like at 4 o'clock. We did nice show.
The curfew was imposed in the community following a spate in crime, and on March 1, 2 men were shot and killed by the police. Not only do the residents believe the men were innocently killed, but they told us even the candlelight vigil was disrupted.
We would like time to grieve. A SWAT team of over 15 officers were not necessary at a night at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They were not necessary. And then what law are we breaking by lighting candles?
They are human beings, whether police kill them or gunmen kill them, they are human beings. And we as the family, I think we are allowed to grieve their passing.
We unsuccessfully tried to get an interview with the police. However, counsel for the Old Harbour South Division, Dr. Kurt Wall, had this to say.
I don't think that the good should suffer for the bad in any society, you understand? I think we need to target the people who are the problem makers and allow the people who are law-abiding citizens to thrive. I don't know if they're employing these measures because they haven't discussed them, probably it's private, but I think that we need more undercover policemen traversing the community.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.